Nkwaseafuo ma ware ne mo yere nom na tie mo tubo anam de agire mo nwene se mo timi de an ko to board so a this government this particular mo chan se mo agini mo e checks and balance am here an ko doctor school we Nkwaseafuo no ko stupid NDC pedili pia o ka ho ko pim se ekoda board na so no mo ye no ko stupid.
And just an ability to say history and a repeating itself. Just in 2014, I want to say a Biana ACC Mahama second term way. Okay, Mahama first term you're to release slave queen government. On my position at 4 now we will be your position as a only hotel Ukrainians. And always young, even as that air cost in never Kevin Taylor, you say. Honor of vet say, now was I prove Dr. Ansan Sadali, look at Mahama say, oh. But the doctor, bro, man, you know me. Now I'm going to hear me anymore. The National Health Insurance Authority Board Chairman or the Becca Humbiano. Afia Schwar nigga, I will go to the supermarket. A daddy will throw people come Mahama. Now, answers are telling us over this Nkwaseafuo. Afia Abe exposing no better Bonia Hudua. Answers are telling us sitting OD. The way you tremble. And then even now, no. Of course, AD. And some party Afia Schwar Abe can be able from one and do another attack me heat Nadia Mahama. And I just do. I have Penyah block media. That's what I said. Over like if you do not download my subscribe button, click the notification icon of latest updates. Now, better watching the mama or comments as well as Baswa. Not even more for any be Ashe. It is all Hemwa. Mahama the first term 2013 to 2016. Yet to this slave queen government, I know Grana, and yet other parties member that 2 years, a year NDC for non because Stephen Atubiga cry every year meeting. On be a press conference or kind of say. Etwo botos Nash kele NDC party.
What do we see today? They have allowed Botos to be sinking the party. Botos sank NDC. Botos is sinking NDC. How?
What I say? Stephen Crowd be a press conference Nash etwo yes o hemwa. Obi Penyah police when this by just or is it Tracy watching that. But I say, how can I do a panel crabber ever train papa no? We your burial, what does a papa no? We your burial, El crabber. This may be the crab you believe we say. This is what you warrior on the Mahama and a warrior. A bit more that's what that perception. Now over Kaya, Dr. Ansan Sadali, that fake doctor now is now over GH1 TV. I know yes, sure, to the health and life with Dr. Sansadali. At about 5 p.m. No better 30 minutes program let's obey na oko. Say when you na on your Dr. Biao. Am I even 2024 the crown? Mahama a World Women's Conference. Any part or train or two reference or no mekasa. Na ba ko a Dr. Ansan Sadali. I say plan ya training din was here and Afia Sadali into bracket medical doctor. Just say Mahama and this for addressing say oh yeah medical doctor. I say Kevin Taylor one day Kevin Taylor family doctor. I go to mo yale on the woman panning kaka on the one a woman panning kaka and as this for yale the hospital no mudre ko woman panning kaka ko we dey this in con with doctor Ghana for them now oba you know when say Kevin na a defend say because an appointment no it came through Kevin because Kevin no na a vet no and was say prove you no does it be answer say or your doctor na doctor ko enya Ghana or your doctor e wo USA.
This lady is a doctor who practices in America. Now, mom said story being on social media. Oh, fake female medical doctor on GH1 TV exposed. This lady, a health show, GH1.
This is Health and Life with Dr. Daly.
Health and Life with Dr. Daly.
Don't be one of those people who made all the money and are using all the money to pay bills. When you bring it, we'll take it. Because we're here to take care of you. This is Health and Life with Dr. Daly. My name is Dr. Ann Sansa Daly. This is Health and Life with Dr. Daly. My name is Dr. Ann Sansa Daly. 0800-678-678. And this is the National Suicide Prevention Helpline.
And right now, we're starting with stories be on Modern Ghana. There are 2 people at Modern Ghana. They will be served personally and they will go to jail. And now they have come together and contracted a man. This lady has never stood anywhere in Ghana to say or practice medicine and now or a medical doctor or Ghana on KBDA. But she has a license in the US. Indra, you saw a story Asasi Radio so pick a story no selective media houses affiliated to some group of people. Fake doctor exposed and Sansa Daily not licensed to practice medicine in Ghana or US. So you go and check Asasi Radio who did the story. The person who did the story today, the lady's lawyer is trying to track him because he is going to be served.
Oh yeah. Eti ba yese ho behia se ne ye behwe se no kura eti petition mi na for twere ba ko eko Ghana Medical and Dental Council as no omu ko pe Dr. Ansan Sadale ne particulars efrom ho no ana ba ko so eko Johns Hopkins University e wo US na so omu ko pe ne particulars as Ghana de no eye niama amatafi na etwere ko ye ana John Hopkins so de no eye Sechi Brown Reginald na etwere ko ani nyina ba ye no Ghana de ba ye no say they began and he knew say we doctor register. USA force the buy say there be. Ye ni mono. The core systems ni obi a friend of Dr. Ansan Sadele say. E just wa pass through this school. Me wa ni CV or the call. Mahama ho na e wo so say owie John Hopkins University in 2015, 20th December 2015 and owie that school no. As a Mahama tell we nyina man appointment all because Kevin Taylor has vetted Kevin Taylor Nkwa vet no after approve na jina to say we are Dr. Taylor Mahama an appointment. Mahama memu Kevin Taylor any the boss. Ye to Mahama and I say to about Kevin Taylor. Kevin Taylor na training boss on your position. All the training powers NDC for question. No mun ko chiwe no mu de chiri jo. Yan ko chiwe de chiri jo. So I born is one ya born. Yan ko chiwe o si we mutimi chi no. Ade an china o mu de chiri. Yeah, go pen para all because Kevin Taylor akase yeah watch all the chere Mahama how was him ne mai e do ba free factory dey expose be boom say free ba onya botre on say Kevin Taylor body na fi beto no show si di na tem keke onya botre break it down e go into this coming we say Dr. Ansan Sadele kura be dey be kile top picture e kitchen.
You stop.
Stop it. Thank you, Mommy.
Go put this down in the kitchen and come back. Go put it in the kitchen.
No.
Go put it in the kitchen now.
No, Mommy.
Hurry up.
Hey, your kitchen, so your kitchen doctor. Can you tell her in the kitchen? Ansan Sadele is in the kitchen. And it's only in the kitchen. Basement for what I say. Kitchen. Let's open BBA. It's a do a bed training number. So if you actually know, see there be. Mahama, it will say. We're revoking appointment in there. Then so a day pana. With me the position without making any background check. Or vetting committee. Or you must say with me. Vetting we and the sayer or with me appointing to make a board in whom. Now answer the rest through there. If yes, you are exposing it big time.
And that the other say, well, go many me hojo, me na me chen Togo flag me hojo me Germany so and you show anyone me did hey anzala you no cry more ha baba you no cry na phone yes nana kuladu Nana can't say quite the Quenu. Miss Unia Baron. Boy. And was a Jimmy come to Moko. Says Anna, or Mammy, what gentle quite tower when you say me, I can see him for every. Would you have to? What gentle quite tower when you say? I will be a judge to say if you are the Okan and cry for evidence of that. Now, will you be? Now you are my son. What will that? So when you will be a common time, boom. Say, yeah. Now, more evidence, way. We evidence. Now, if you're really, I say, I said, in a way, a blackmail. Now, I send me quadrant. Can say, really, a chopper. Can you mention? A real. Not say, me, I'm a baby, dream home. Hwɛ sɔfo no nyamesuro na woni mu. Na wo sɛ ka sɔfo no ma yɛ cheme. Me ka no kwache o. And more people forward than 4 fast story me o. What the bad evidence. Me am it way. Me mama call my story. I just want the receipt count. Sɔfo no ohun me mobo. Because the enam there sɔfo ni gu ani magu na ni ma sene se ma na ma kafa no. Sister evidence somebody say yeah boy. Now send me my class captain on a blackmail issue. I don't know. This woman was blackmailing this pastor in all angle. In all angle, everything was a blackmail. And who was the center of it? Yours truly. 1 second, I'm going to say blackmail. I'm in gaming because girls know when you see me say. Police, hey! What about driving for social media? Girl, media, be a coso. Nana, the amount of say, yay! But I cover blackmailing the whole country. I cover blackmailing the whole country. Not in the dancing. Kabaya John Mahama. You fucking laba label. You fucking don't know it. Leka to Branda and Sansa. So, what do I call any makoja? Sister, that's an American German story. On China, America Benduka, dear. Jodia Benduka, Sika, Sisi, I'm with the natural bodies. You were also the Benduka cat. My manager Benduka, or that's what the bodies were the neka. What the Fajim is you shim. Hey, Nancy, why the end is for me and loses her? Hey. Munsori, we asked Munsor. Could I do my name? You son, I'm a sister, no Jim in some and then I'm maybe by I had not to board or so. I never free board. Now, hey, and to put me the hand control. Hey, not just a kind of security intelligence, that the beam. Somebody me the hand control board the so. And this government, this particular, what I'm saying, Jimmy. I didn't checks and balance somewhere. I no conductor school, eh? Not just say, then I know what China said the TV. I'm what your grandad because some is a grandad here, Doctor, Evangelist Doctor Patricia, Mrs. Siama, Doctor Danny Dean, so dear, and check. Mama grandad can represent you, UN. You also effect. The tunnel so tame, Brofon so they are quiet him. And check, and check, and check, and check, and check, and check. What WHO for Shia? The way NDC for ne Connie says and check. World Health Organization, WHO for Shia, Namuhu, Dr. Patricia Semoha, and Manina Moa, because NDC for no. The minutes a doctor, and that would do so the way. We Nkwaseafuo no ko stop it. NDC pedili bia o ka ho copy say ekoda board na so no we no ko stop it because no you no ko Ashawo we shit pa mo no ko stop it no ko Ashawo me say mumusa Benduka say Benduka we NDC ni o. But Musa the say na one hand ho. We no ko stupid, no ko unintelligent, no ko motherfucker idiot. Obia woni ekwaya an ekopie wo you board so no. We no ko ma che, no ko kwasia, no ko jimi. Mu nyusi muti Nkwaseafuo ma ware ne mo yere nom na tie. Mu tumu anam de aje. Mo nwene. And a doctor. Stupid people, of course. When you meet unintelligent people, uneducated people. You can be anything. And Mr. Anya, Madame Fufago Muchimino. And it's a clear indication that Nkwaseafuo, you can be anything. Not just anything for many more to answer there. Kai, when I'm the confident go by, more Jimmy pa, more Jimmy. As I say, NDC for 1 year, Sunday about 30%. 70% people in the NDC, and especially the people at the top now, more Jimmy. And this is a clear indication. Because I'm not no. Me from me krama ya tukuba njano. Do you understand what I'm saying? The I know. See, Anne, mo Ghana for mo friends at Dr. Dien. Anne, Anzaza. Me from me krama ya tukuba njano. Ono kwa wabako. Tio, me krama tukuba wabako wa Westland. And yemi ne tio, one in the room. Ono kwa me from ninja Anne. Ute. Me crama blowjob. Me baby dog no blowjob. Blowjob cry me fani nya an. Me for blowjob nya an. Me tibi fa me bibia nya an. Including me wi amedia to amekwa barbeshi. Me tibi fa me wi one row nya an. That's how she's so unauthentic. And to put in a quarter board so will be from the vetting to the board. Nkwaseafuo. You are stupid piece of shit. Moye Jimmy for Moye Benny for Mother Sunyaso for hobby. Motimi the and way. And that's how we are stupid, sir. No go stupid, no go idiots, no go NDC for baby Jimmy. I'm saying an abortion I didn't dear Munim. I know the encounter. The young say Anne John Doctor. Emma Joe waiting on cry them and then me train them a new Anne. Members of my was of also when bed also when power dear. Nigeria, chop up. I'm on a and tomorrow. Curtains that down and what the other say home. Curtains that down. Hey, what Jimmy oh. Curtains that also when bed dear. And also when pa or damping and Nigel. Curtains that down and what the other say home. Curtains that down. And use it for one. Curtains that down and what the other say home. When you say our 2025, our curtains that da, and I'm with the best home. And my manager, what a soon old really, and a bush one is a and yes, in a tone, what you need to go so true. I said, 5 seconds. And Mr. Annie, Madame Faje Doctor. Do abaka say Anya Doctor and Johnson Yamekuno. Anya Madame Fo, 1 year doctor. Metumra Chelsea, Yakoya show already Rasto's office, 2018. I told them, I tried the share, I told them, I tried the share, I told them, Reggie Rasto's office. I want Yakoya show, no, Zion Fellas. I think so Eugene Kraba in Congonsa. I have bloggers with by. Send me John Trontino. Monko, maybe best me videos and pictures. What I'm going to office. Send me Dr. Anne. I am here as a Facebook and I mean go me picture me. You make woman empowerment show. I am me Anne. And my cousins on free South till. Me and my cousins in South Africa for Abba. Any Rasto. Any original side video new. But when you be and this is for me you lose far. Someone tell my aunt. Say Anne, ultimate in a fraud game, you know. Every day I could do the point of the board there. And this is Momoha. Until me and Nanny will make company more. And to background check. This means that the Parliament of Ghana has swear me can't me. And then Obia mi boni dimbia tiase. Benduka, I am fearless. Zion fearless. Reduraso. If what I'm saying is true, it means that NDC Libya appointed on board needs to be scrutinized by the Parliament. We are bringing everything and anything to the board, which is not healthy, because Anne is a blackmailer and a fraudster. She ain't nothing she says she is, and it is not. Anne, on your doctor, or your doctor, or your county doctor, or your pocky doctor, maximum, or your witch doctor, ni Jimmy B. And to the doctor. Ha, what Jimmy, NDC what Jimmy, my pa, Nkwaseafuo ni be at the doctor. Just a mood of Yasha white shirt or your doctor home. Once I'm party in Mungo school. This shit cannot happen with the MPP, is the truth? The MPP, no one qualified, no one pro so ama. You ain't even that time for fake. But monso, NDC for monso. Say NPP appointed fake doctor. Me but original ones no qualify no. Only about 700. And two fake no. One passive version. Hello. We are this in your say my book. We are new. Mogu who any must say. Because me name say Afia Schwar. I am Madam Fool. And me reading the number. I am Madam Fool. Minim sa uchia ubedi o promising one chia o be black men no minim nya ana matches shows a meaning abo Messi Rastos office 2018 and 2019 ye a woman all women show empowerment show and also a medical doctor blackmailer we are me. What you see me, the Maya was see a duma, and I'm in your worry. And to boy, I didn't cross and check. Or the doctor told me this one, the true Musson, I must say, where they don't pay. Because to one person, John Petrumu. Tomorrow, I'm saying, chairman's back in here. If not, how did Anne end up in an NHIA board? Nkwaseafuo, two things. Someone Nkwaseafuo chairman D, because chairman there, true money no for there, true money. Ever that board also, Nkwaseafuo. Ha, more boy is for anyone say. Me don't know because Anne, me mother, minim, missing 20 health insurance with no cross checking. Now we are boss. I will be like a doctor. Make one minute, Nkwaseafuo when your doctor. That tells you your intelligence level. As someone to me CMPP under the watch of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Now by ask me a doctor, I say you kwatana because otoso you do check ewo true mo Jimmy and this for and go selection way or more gumani mase. Hey, and mo consider selection way or more hey. Can this happen in the NPP? So girl be by ask me a doctor who say you got NPP. What are you doing in America? What are you doing in America? Now intellectuals now when this no muswa. Omo makusku no muswa. And Nkwaseafuo what just be if not, if John Mahama NDC, everybody should be ashamed of themselves. Nkwaseafuo and Nkwaseafuo, Nkwaseafuo for appointing Anne to a board that mimic your tax. You are very stupid. From John Mahama to anybody who signed the letter. Nkwaseafuo because we are paid tax in Ghana. You are using my tax to finance my friend who I know is a hooker. Madam Foua. Oh shit. Me Madam Foua, my name say you didn't Me madam for minim say is for the highest bidder. And I was adding me taxi Janica. Mama be chim and Nkwaseafuo. You are stupid people. I'm the one telling you. Anne is my friend. She was. Everybody knows it. On Kanokre. We are very stupid people. To waste taxpayers' money on your pussy. Nkwaseafuo. I am the owner of the country. Information in the cry. Cry. And guess what? Ochamekacho. Yes, Shamra baby mama na money. Get me can say for NDC to go low. NDC appointing Anne means NDC needs men. MPP for a mature water. More high NDC for mema. Like, can you give some of your men to the NDC as alone? Because for NDC to go and appoint Miami Anne and Sansa and or the Bendukaka, and or the Bendukaka, and I'm appointing. I swear to God, this is a clear indication that NDC you need men. Now I no go NDC mudaben. I know NDC mudaben. Boy, media na American. This is my ex-friend you people are talking about, and she's got no value. Yeah, the name of me I mentored $1. And the how she ended up on the board under the like Obia is under your watch and became a board member under your watch. Then that's so sad.
Drag of mommy, comment section. I have Penyah problem.